Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting dependencies and a target database file. This is why you add the Sqlite JDBC jar to your project's libs and class path. Once done, create a Java project in Eclipse and link the jar via build path so the driver manager can load it at runtime. Then place a DB file in a resources folder or plan to create it programmatically. Doing this early avoids path confusion later when connecting from code. Now implement the connection and data access. First, load the driver and open a connection with JDBC, Sqlite, your path. Use an absolute or project resource path so Eclipse runs find it. Next, code CRUD with prepared statement and try with resources to auto-close connections, ensuring you parameterize queries for safety. Also create tables on startup if missing. This guarantees idempotent launches. Make sure to commit transactions where finish by exercising the code. Run unit tests and simple select/insert runs inside Eclipse to verify connections and schema. Once stable, export a runnable jar and include the Sqlite JDBC jar in the package or use a fat jar so deployments match your dev class path. If something breaks, first verify the database file path and Eclipse run configuration. Then confirm the driver jar is on the runtime class path and file permissions, allow read/write. That single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.